So hey, awesome ones. Well, if you're anything like me, you love a good deal. And the Cyber Monday and Black Friday weeks, well, they are the motherlode of deals, and especially from Amazon. And you know, I kind of consider myself a seasoned online shopper. So today I've got 10 tips for you to be a pro shopper online. So let's get started. Tip number one is to make sure that your delivery page is all in order. Now, a lot of times this happens to me where I have a new credit card with a new expiry date and I'm going to check out and it's like, oh no, I got to enter all that information. So make sure that's all up to date, because a lot of these deals, they're really time sensitive. The other thing on this page is, did you know that you can send a gift directly to somebody from Amazon? So if you're going to be doing that, make sure that you have, their full address, their zip code, or their postal code, everything on hand so you're ready to go. All right, now let's talk about tip number two. Now let's say you found an amazing fashion item and you're all excited. Well, make sure you have your actual measurements handy. You need your chest, your waist, even maybe the length of your leg. And I'll tell you why, because a size 12 is not always a size 12 right across the board for all the manufacturers. And neither is a size large or medium. So you need those measurements. And what you're going to do is you're going to find the size chart. About 99% of all the fashions have a size chart, and you'll find your measurements right there. So make sure, measure before you order, and order the right size. Now, tip number three, I really am excited about this because just last week, we decided to start up at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, a new pinned section called Daily Deals. And these are not just daily deals. These are daily deals on items that I personally love, and I've showed them to you before, like fashions that I love, and shoes, and beauty, and makeup, and skincare, and housewares, and kitchenware, like just so many items. So all you have to do again is go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, scroll down the page where you'll see the first pinned section, and those are daily deals. Now, what we're going to do specifically, this is going to be year round, but what we're going to do specifically for Black Friday is we're going to make sure we change them up for the Black Friday sales, and then for Cyber Monday, we're going to change them up for the Cyber Monday and Cyber Monday week. So don't forget to check that out on a regular basis, and let me help you get some deals. So let's say that you're on my daily deals that I specifically picked for you. What you're going to do is sort of look at some of the gifts, and then you might say to yourself, well, I found a couple of things, but I still want more. All you have to do is go to the top of the page there and click on the search bar and put in Black Friday, if that's what you're looking for, Black Friday deals, or Cyber Monday, or Cyber Monday week, and then you'll see a lot more deals pop up. And specifically, maybe you're looking for children's gifts or electronics or whatever. It'll all probably be there. So tip number five, you're going to see some deals that are going to say this is available with Amazon Prime. And you're like, oh no, I don't have Amazon Prime. Well, no worries. What you can do when you're checking out is you can grab Amazon Prime, and it'll be a trial for 30 days. So you can get all the deals, and it's a trial for 30 days. Now, I have Amazon Prime, and I got to tell you, it's fantastic because not only are you getting, maybe cheaper delivery, faster delivery, but you're also getting Amazon Prime Video and also Amazon Prime Music and a bunch of other things as well. And you might just want to keep it. Tip number six is look for those countdown clocks. Now, you'll probably see like a little timer in the corner, and it's counting backwards. Well, once it gets to 0, that deal is done. So make sure that if you see a sort of really limited time offer, that you get the item and you get going and putting it in your cart. Another good reason why you got to have your credit card information up to date. So tip number 7, whether it's a Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or just one of my daily deals that you might find next February or March, because they are daily, remember that a lot of these deals, I mean, right now, the last time I checked, we had some deals over 50% off. But they have limited quantities. So if you see a deal and you go, well, I really want that, remember there's limited quantities, not only in the product itself, but if you're looking for fashion, there's limited quantities in maybe a medium, extra large, definitely in the sizes too. Tip number 8, remember that with fashion, size matters. Now, what am I talking about with this? Well, if you see a price, a lot of times it might be for a small, but if you're ordering an extra large or a 2XL, you're going to say, how come the price is more? But this seems to be the trend now, so don't think that it's weird. It just seems that a lot of online stores now, and regular stores too, because there's so much extra material in an extra large than a small, they're charging a little bit more for it. So just wanted to let you know of that little thing to look out for. So if you've been watching my posts and some of my reels on Instagram and also on Facebook, and all you have to do is look up Awesome Over 50, you'll notice that a lot of times I'm showing a dress and I twirl around and the caption says, "It was so nice, I bought it twice." So I'm suggesting for this deal, all these deal days, that you look underneath the model and look at the colors that are available, because if it's a great sale and you love it, why not get it in another color? My next tip is to check out the delivery dates. Once you order something, you'll usually see a delivery date, put it in your cart, and if you don't see it there, for sure you're going to see it as you scroll down when you're going to the final stages with your cart. Now, maybe you're going to see that it's delivered after Christmas, and maybe that's something you're going to have to delete. Just go back and delete it out of the cart. But if it's such a great deal that you don't want to give up, maybe you could put a little picture of it in a box and just say, "I owe you, and this is coming to you on January 2nd or something like that," and it might go over okay with your loved one. So I really know that, especially these days, saving a few dollars is really, really important. And that's why, you know, I just created the daily deals. And by the way, like I said, it's at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, but it's also going to be there 365 days a year. And the other beauty of online shopping is that generally you're done with all of your gift giving in just a couple of hours, and that leaves a lot more me time for you. Hey, this time of year, we really do have to take a break and take some deep breaths, maybe have some pampering time, or one of my favorite things to do is to take a couple of hours to watch some good old-fashioned Christmas movies. And my wish for you is that you fill your world with joy, even right now when it's stressful, and also keep it awesome.